7, 8. I'm counting. Wait. Only 8 girls? I don't think so.
14 are from Malakpet, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you for that, Mariam. Okay, I'll end the session. Take care, all of you. We'll meet on Monday. Okay, ma? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
गर्ल्स एक बार क्रॉस चेक करो आप लोग, मलकपेट के 14 ही है क्या? मैं कम तो नहीं बोली, एक बार क्रॉस चेक करो ना कोई।
Eight are there.
हाँ 1 2 3
11 are there.
14 है यार, एक बार अच्छा पूरा
No,
नीचे तक
14 are there, I guess.
Yeah, if somebody is matching means that
14 are there.
okay,
Don't
right,
speak in middle, I guess, for speaking. Because of speaking, I guess, that counting mistake is coming. Everyone
Okay,
should
okay,
be
one
silent.
second.
Mariam, you count once again, okay?
Yeah, okay. I'll just mute myself also. अभी मेरे को 13 नहीं आ रहे। आई थिंक वन गर्ल लेफ्ट बिकॉज
मेरे को भी 13 ही थे।
Yes, 13.
कोई एक बात करे फिर बीच में, उससे पहले आई विल जस्ट काउंट वन मोर टाइम। एक बार फिर से म्यूट करो।
Okay.
No, it's 14 only because that Juveria Raheen, she was unmuting herself when I was counting, no? So that's the reason she got in the up list. Now it's 14 only. Confirm.
Yeah, 14.
How many papers we have to leave for that 3 column? 3
One and a
column.
half. 1.5.
I left 4 papers.
I wrote now 1.5 paper leave.
If you left also, nothing will happen. Just to see the topic while writing, and the remaining pages, just you tear that. Simple and
You need
easy
to
way.
tear. I will.
Mariam,
keep it
after differences,
Otherwise, paste it.
Yeah, tasting is good.
Don't tear directly. Just you keep the scale on the left side and do that.
Or I
Mariam,
will do
after
some
differences,
homeworks or questions like that, or important writings.
Hmm.
Samira is
Yes,
asking
Samira.
something.
after differences, we have to leave the space.
Yeah. After?
Differences, we have to leave the space.
Why after differences?
Then
After
where we have to leave?
writing double column cash book, you need to leave
We have
this
to
space.
leave.
3 column.
Yeah,
Okay.
she meant after cash discount and trade discount differences. Yeah, after that only we have to leave 1.5 paper.
And then, Mariam, what
No.
happened?
Just a little bit. एक second. अब बहुत ज़्यादा confused दिख रहा है। First,
Okay.
you need to write the definition. Then after that, the various books. Then after writing the various books, under that first will be cash book. Under that, 3 subdivisions are there. That is simple column, double column, and triple column. So
Yes.
after writing simple column, you need to write the performer of simple column. Then after that, write what? I also don't know. Just a second, I'll check.
Two
After that,
column.
directly 2
Two
column.
column. After that, 2 column. Then after writing 2 column, performer. Then after writing
No,
the
no.
difference.
No, for 2 column and small para is also there.
Yeah, the definition, 2 column cash book definition, then performer, then difference between cash discount and trade discount. Then after that, you need to leave the space one and a half
Newspaper.
page. Then continuation, purchase book and
Then sales return book.
Last point is journal proper, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
last is general proper.
Completed.
Mariam, I'm
thanks to
getting a
Samaya
little bit
madam.
confused in 15th problem.
Getting confused. The thing is why I am not sending this 15th problem, because I am getting still balances in that creditors block, that Raja Gopal, and I am getting the discount received, no. So I am getting a more 100 balance carried down. So in other problems we won't have any carried downs in creditor side, no. So that's the reason I'm not sending this 15th one problem. If I
I'll
will be wrong, then if you will copy, no, then you'll also be wrong.
I'll try, but I can't get what is this.
Yeah. Once she'll check with ma'am what she'll say. First,
Okay.
she needs to go with the subsidiary books. Then after that, when class ends, no, then we'll clarify our doubt.
Yes, good morning, girls.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Some discussion is
Good
going
morning,
on.
ma'am.
Yes, some discussion is going on, I'm saying.
Ma'am, that 15th problem.
Which 15th one? Still in the last chapter only.
Yeah. But we have completed whole, but having one doubt in 15th one.
What is the doubt?
Ma'am, I'm getting creditors balance carried down. How, I don't know.
15th problem?
15th problem,
Hmm.
that creditors in ledger, when I'm preparing the ledger, no, then I'm getting carried down balance in Raja Gopalan as well as in Mallikarjuna Rao is cleared. Mallikarjuna Rao is cleared.
In
And
Raja Gopalan account, you are getting the difference.
yeah, carried down is there, ma'am, 100, the discount received, because by purchase account we are writing 5,000 here, to bank account 5,000, then after bank account to discount received 100, so I am getting 100 in as carried down.
Bank account, we need to write 4,900 and discount received 100. So
Actually,
both
Raj
will be
Gopalan
tallied.
account, any difference will not come. No, why? Because they have given that purchase goods from Raj Gopalan. So though in Raj Gopalan account, it will come by purchases, right? The
Yes,
next
yes.
is paid Raj Gopalan by check and discount allowed by him. So it will come debit side to bank account to discount over.
No, I'm putting the account amounts as different, ma'am, so I have taken bank account 5,000 instead
Okay.
of taking 4,900. Just
Clearly
now,
they have given 4,900, no? Then why you have taken 5,000?
I'm getting confused at what to take the amount.
No, ma, clearly they have given, no, in the question itself they have given that paid Raj Gopalan by check 4,900. Clearly they have given, no?
Yes.
And even in Mallikarjuna, in debit side to sales account 6,000 and credit by cash 5,850, by discount 150. So
150.
both will be
Yes, yes.
tallied.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now shall we
Yes.
move to next chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, ma. So yesterday I made
But
you take
even
what
if
you
I
have to
do
do.
this, excuse me, ma'am, but
Yeah,
even
ma.
if I did this, I'm not getting trial balance tallied.
ट्रायल
I
बैलेंस
don't know.
करना ही नहीं है उसमें, इसमें करना ही
Like,
नहीं है ट्रायल बैलेंस.
to check my ledger is correct or not, we can prepare trial balance, right?
ओके ओके.
So I'm not getting it tallied.
शायद कुछ एरर्स है.
Then whole problem I should check, no, ma. This you are saying that it's got tallied at the Mallikarjuna account and the Raj Gopalan account, but remaining also we should check, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, today we will also do that
Which one?
trial balance. Then tomorrow we'll again check.
Ma, at which time is not there, ma. Understand what I'm saying? As I
No.
said you that more 5
As
chapters are
homework we
there
will do, ma'am.
as homework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try by our side, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you proceed
Yeah,
for the
after doing-
third chapter also.
Okay.
Now we'll do subsequently.
Okay. So
After doing, just post it in our group, okay? So I can check whether I have did right or wrong.
Okay.
okay, ma. So yesterday I have explained the third chapter theory In that, I made you take also in the textbook that what you have to copy also, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
You have
Yes.
completed the notes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So today I'm starting the problems. Take out page number C22. Page number C22. Take out it.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Short questions are there. In that first question is prepare the purchases book of MS Fancy the Smart. In that they have given some transactions, right? So what we are doing, we have to prepare here the purchase book of Dressmart. Okay, means this person is dealing with the dresses, right? So coming to the first one, they have given a transaction as purchase from Gupta of Guntur 100 t-shirts at rupees 80 per shirt. While solving, I'll show ma. So as you know that compulsory we have to draw the format, right? So what is the format of this purchase book?
Date, particulars, LF, details, amount.
Is number something is there, no?
Inward invoice.
Just a minute, ma. I'll draw the format.
Word invoice. It will
I'll
be
draw
here.
the format, then I will show.
Okay.
Let me draw the format first. You have ready. You have drawn in your books.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma. I drawn the format. So when you are drawing the format, in middle, you have to write. We are preparing the purchase book. No, in middle you should write purchase book. Right. Coming to the first column is of date. Second column is
Particulars.
particulars. Third column is LF, that is nothing but ledger folio. Fourth column we should write here details, and fifth column is amount in rupees. Okay, this is the format of the purchase book.
Then, ma'am, what is inward invoice?
Invoices.
Inward invoice number, that is nothing but like whenever they will receive the purchase or whatever will be there, no numbers will be there on that. Numbers will be there that we use in the inter first year, right? But here we, instead of writing that, we'll write here details. Why? Because I will use the details column. Okay. Why these people are joining late? I don't know. In middle disturbance for me. Okay, ma? So as you can see in the date column, they have not given the year. Coming to the date. Coming to the date is 2nd June. In the date column, you should write 2nd June. 2nd June. And coming to the particulars, under this, just we should write the name of the person with whom they are dealing. So, I'm getting disturbance. I'm getting the disturbance. Yes. Here, girls.
Fatima, mute yourself.
What is this?
I think she forgot, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Under particulars column, you should write with whom they are dealing. That is nothing but his name is Gupta. Here Gupta we should write. So what they are dealing with 100 t-shirts at rupees 80 per shirt. That everything you have to write, right? So 100 into 80 will be how much? Do the multiplication and tell me.
8,000.
8,000.
8,000. Sorry, 8,000, ma'am. 8,000.
8,000.
So directly I'm taking under the amount column. Suppose with this person, one more thing will be there, means I used to take in the details column, right? If trade discount will be there like that, then means you will use the details column. Now directly I written the amount in the amount column. The next you see, sold to Burman of Bombay. As we are preparing the purchase book, this is a sales transaction, right?
Yes.
Sold is nothing but the sales transaction. That's why sale entries we should not write. So fourth transaction we have to leave. Now coming to the sixth transaction, purchase from Vijay of Vijayawada. So under the date column, we have to write the date as a 6th June and name of the person is Vijay. See here, only the name also enough. Suppose if you want to write, you can write here Gupta of Guntur also and Vijay of Vijayawada also. No problem. Okay. So Vijayawada, what they are purchasing? They are purchasing 10 bushets at rupees 90 each. Means they are purchasing 10 bushets for rupees 90 each. 10 into 90 if we'll do, what is the amount?
6,000, ma'am. 900, ma'am.
9,000.
900.
900.
I asked you to use the calculator, not your brains.
Yes, ma'am, 900.
6,000, 9,000, like these answers I don't want. Okay. The next you see, 8th transaction, bought from Bombay Furniture Mart Bhandar 10 chairs at rupees 80 each. As you can see, this person is dealing only with the dresses, and coming to the chairs is a asset, right? Yes or no?
Furniture.
So that
Yes.
transaction we should not take. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
After that, what I am doing here, I am writing it as total. And when we are doing the total of this, 8,000 plus 900, the amount will be 8,900. Any doubt? Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Only purchases we should take.
Eighth entry.
Only purchases? Yes, I didn't get your question.
Ma'am, why we are not taking eighth entry?
8th entry, as you can see clearly, they have given that they are purchasing the chairs. Here, this purchase book we are preparing of the dress mart means this person is dealing with the clothes, not with the assets.
Yes.
As per that, we have to take. Right?
Yes.
That's why the transaction we are not taking. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Yes,
copied?
ma'am.
You have copied?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
I proceed for the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you only see once, second and third one. 2 questions are there, no?
Yes.
Second and third one. One I will show. Which one I should show? Tell me. Go through the question and tell me.
Third one, ma'am.
Third one, ma'am.
Third one? Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Third.
Third one I'm showing you. Okay, my third one. Heading, purchase book. This is the third one. So coming to the date, first we should write the year. Year is 2013. I think so it's clearly visible, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem, no?
No.
Coming to the date is 5th January, right? As you can see there, third one, enter the following transactions in the purchase book of Vijay Electronics, Nallakunta, Hyderabad. Means we are preparing the purchase book of Vijay. He is dealing with the electronic items, right? As you can see the first transaction, they have given that purchased 5 sets of Dynora 555 model from Dynora Limited at rupees 4,000. Trade discount is 15%. It means that they are purchasing 5 sets of Dynora model from the Dynora Limited, right? So first what I am doing, I am writing here as from whom he is purchasing. He is purchasing from Dynora Limited. So under the purchase book, I have written it as Dynora Limited. What is purchasing? He is purchasing here 5 sets of Dynora model. Okay. Dynora model. So that they have given clearly. Each cost rupees 4,000. And how many is purchasing? 5.
5.
Right? 4,000 into 5 will be how much?
Into 5 will be 20,000.
20,000.
Okay.
20,000.
Now I'm using the details column. Okay. Why? Because in this they have given a trade discount, no?
Yes.
Here we should write less trade discount 15%. On 20,000, 15% you find out. I think so it will be 3,000 C once.
Yes.
So here we should write 3,000. 20,000 minus 3,000 will be how much? 17,000. This will come under the outer column. Any doubt?
No.
Any doubt? Now next transaction you see, they have given that purchased on credit from Bajaj and Company, electronic irons 20 at rupees 60, table lamps 6 at rupees 35. Okay. So in the date column, I'm writing the date first. 9th January. They are purchasing from Bajaj and Company. So here I'm writing it as Bajaj and Company. They are purchasing here electronic irons 20 at 60. Okay. So it is nothing but 20 into 60. 20 into 60 when you multiply it will be
200.
it is nothing but 1,200, right? The next they have given that he is purchasing the table lamps also. Table lamps 6 at rupees 35 each. So 6 into 35. 6 into 35 when you will multiply, what will be the amount?
210.
210.
Right? Only 2 items is purchasing now. This now 2 items are there. These 2 items also we should add and we should write. He is purchasing the electronic irons and he is purchasing the table lamps. This 2 is purchasing. If you will add and write in the outer column, the amount will be 1,410.
1,410.
400.
Now 18th transaction you see. Purchased on cash from Sumit Limited. Clearly they have mentioned that they are purchasing on the cash basis. So under the purchase book, cash purchases, we should not do the entry. Right?
Yes.
When we are preparing the purchase book, we should not take the cash entries. That's why this entry we should not take here. Now coming to the next transaction, purchase on credit from Chandrika Furnitures, showcase, office table and office chairs. As you can see clearly in the question, they have given that they are dealing with the electronic items, right?
Yes.
Here down what they have given showcase, office table, office chair. This will all come under the assets, no?
Yes.
The furniture will
Yes.
come, no? That's why this transaction also should not take. Okay. Now only these 2 transactions will come, and down again you should write here total. These 2 we have to add and we should write. I think so 18,410. Finished? Any doubt?
Ma'am, just a second.
No,
Are
ma'am.
you copying?
2 sucks.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy, ma, copy. I'm giving the time. Copy. Finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now 4th one you see. Fourth one again they have given that enter the following transactions of Zindal and Company in the sales book and show the posting to sales account. It means that here we have to prepare the sales book as well as we have to prepare the sales account, right?
Yes.
So this is sales book also similar to the purchase book. Just now I shown the purchase book, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you try this, just 2 minutes I'm giving you do.
Excuse
Sales
me,
book you
ma'am.
prepare, I'll show the sales account, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one is homework, right?
Yeah. Now fourth one,
So
I'm
enter
right
the
now.
following transactions in the purchase book of Prem Das and also show the purchase account.
Right.
So we need to purchase. We need to prepare only purchase account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So when I will prepare the sales
And
account,
the
you will get
format
that.
will
1
be
minute.
same as purchase book.
1 minute. As I said that when I'm showing the fourth one, in that I'll show the sales account. So when I'll show the sales account, you will get the idea that how to prepare the purchase account, right? And coming to the sales book, same format like purchase. Whatever rules are there for the purchase, same rules will be there for the sales. Okay?
Yes.
You do this,
Okay, ma'am.
I'll show the sales account.
Ma'am,
I'm 9 entry for sold gold for cash. So we have to don't take it.
Yes, why? Because it is a cash sales, no?
Yes.
We should not take.
ma'am, total is 2,100.
No?
Ma'am, total is 2,475.
475.
Yes.
How?
Goyer and Company 20 into 75, it will be 1,500. And
Okay.
Mittal and Company, it will be 5 into 195, 975. The whole will be 2,475.
2,475. Yeah, I
One
got
second. This Mithal one is credit now.
So,
For sales account,
the
sales.
transaction we don't need to take.
only cash transactions we need not to take. Credit we need to take.
Okay. Sorry.
Mariam, 16 entry we have to take.
Yes, take 4 and
195 into 5 we have to do.
into 5.
And 30th entry also not taken.
Finished, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I show the sales account?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, as you can see, again, I'm repeating one problem, this fourth one. First one is sold to Goyer and Company 20 polyester sarees. It means that they are dealing with the cloths. This entry you have to take. Coming to the next one, sold for cash to Garg and Company 20 quota sarees at rupees 30 each. Clearly, they have given here cash. So, cash transactions we should not take. That's why this entry will not come in the sales book. The next 16th one, they have given that sold on credit to Mittal and Company 5 art silk sarees. This transaction you have to take. The next is sold to Mohan old furniture. They are dealing with the clothes. This is a furniture. Furniture is an asset. This we should not take. So only two transactions will come. One is Goyal and one more is Mittal and Company, right?
Yes.
So when you are doing the total is coming as 2,475. So in this
Yes.
problem, he is asking to prepare the sales book as well as the sales account. So already you people have prepared the sales book. Now I'm showing the sales account.
Okay.
So already I said you that sales account, as you know that how we'll prepare the ledger, in the same way we have to prepare. So I'm writing it as here sales account, and coming to this here same date, particulars, JF, amount rupees, date, particulars, JF, amount in rupees. Again here same, debit side, credit side. This is the format of the ledger. This is the format of the ledger, right? So I think so. You know, you are having this idea. No, purchase book will show the debit balance. Sales account will show the
Credit balance.
credit balance, right? So this is the credit side, no? So what you should do? 1 minute. What is the? This is April month, no? Here they have given the April month, no? So what we should do? This is the credit side, no? Credit side. What we should do? We should write here year as 2013, and coming to this last date of the month we have to take. So coming to the April, last date is the 30th. So I have taken here as 30th April. So here you're having here two options. One option is either you can write as by sundries account. Sundries is nothing but instead of writing the name of each and every person, all together we'll call it as sundries. SUNDRIES. Okay. Instead of writing the separate name of each person, all together we'll say it as by sundries. Right. So coming to the amount is 2,475. Any doubt? I'm not getting the answer.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are getting single entries now.
What I'm saying, ma, all sales only, no? Whatever you have written, single entries, it belongs to sales only, no? Instead of writing the separate name of each and every person, what we will do, whatever the total of the sales book will be there, all together, we'll name it as a sundries and we'll write the total.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
You can write like this also. Otherwise, or instead of writing by sundries, you should write as by amount as per sales book. By amount as per sales book. Like this also you can write. And in this, no need to the balancing. This much if you will write and leave, it's enough. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. And ma'am, the thing is, on date, it should be the end of the month.
Yeah,
Anytime.
anytime.
Okay.
Finish?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I proceed for the next one?
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, fifth one, you see, prepare sales and sales return book from the following transaction. Means here we have to prepare the sales book as well as a sales return book. Okay. Just a minute, ma. I'll draw the format. Till I draw the format, you also draw in your books format. Finished? Finished, you guys drawing the format?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Coming to here, as you know, the format of the sales book, but then also I'm showing here. First column is of date, second column is for particulars, third column is LF, fourth column is details, and fifth column is amount in rupees. Coming to the sales return, date, particulars. Here what we have written here? Here we have written LF, no?
LF.
Right? But instead of writing LF in the sales return, we should write as credit note number. Under the sales return book, instead of writing LF, we should write as credit note number.
Okay.
Right? In the purchase return, instead of writing credit note number, in the purchase return, you should write as debit note number. Under the purchase return, you should write debit note number. Under the sales return, you should write as credit note number. And remaining columns will be same. Details, amount in rupees, right?
Yes.
Now see the question, ma. As you can see the question, they have given the transaction as sold goods to Manohar. They are selling the goods to Manohar. So what I am doing first, in the date column, first I am writing the year. Coming to the date is 1st December. And under the sales book, under particulars, first I am writing the name of the person as Manohar. Right?
Yes.
So coming to the Manohar, how much they are doing the sales here?
4,500.
4,500.
Directly in the amount column, directly in the amount column, I've written it as 4,500. Okay. The next transaction you see, goods sold to Hari Rao. Goods sold to Hari Rao. So again, it is a sales entry. So in the date column, date 3rd December. Under this column, I'm writing the name of the person as Hari Rao.
Hari Rao.
Coming to the amount is 5,200.
5,200.
And next you see goods returned by Manohar. Here Manohar is returning the goods. That is nothing but the sales return. So under the date column, again we have to write the year. Coming to the date is 8th December. Name of the person is Manohar. Under particulars, you should write Manohar. Details, anything is not there. Directly amount we should write as 150. The next you see sold goods to Mukund for cash. Clearly they have given that when they are selling the goods, they are getting the cash. So this is a cash transaction, so it will not come. The next you see 18th transaction, Hari Rao returned goods. Means here Hari Rao is returning the goods to us. So in the date column, this is a sales return, and here name of the person, Hari Rao. And the amount
200.
is 200. The next you see sale of old newspaper. As you can see clearly, they have given here only sale of old newspaper. It means that it is a cash transaction. Okay. Earlier also I said you, suppose if they won't mention the name of the person and if they won't mention the cash, then it is a cash transaction. Right?
If name is not there, then it will be cash.
Cash transaction. Clearly they have given that when they are selling the newspaper, they are getting 250 rupees. So this transaction should not take. Then 20th one you see, Lakshmi purchased goods from us. Lakshmi is purchasing goods from us.
It is a purchase book they are preparing sales.
So it is a purchase transaction, we should not take. Right?
Yeah.
That is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
You are saying wrong. Clearly, as you can see.
So, ma'am, if she is purchasing, so we are selling also, no?
Ma'am, we are selling to
From us, so then we are selling.
We are selling. Lakshmi is purchasing goods from us, so we are selling. So it will come under the sales book. Many girls will do the mistake like only. They'll see the purchase and they'll see the purchase transaction. Don't get confused like that. Under the date column, date we have to write, and name of the person is Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
And coming to this, how much goods she is purchasing? 2,400. Why I have written the details column? Why? Because clearly they have given that trade
discount is there.
So minus, I'm writing short form, minus trade discount at 2%. 2,400 into 2% we should do. I think so 120, right? No, I don't know. See, 240 into 2%, how much? 2,400 into 2%?
1,000 will be 25. Yes, ma'am, 12 only.
12?
2,400 into 2, no ma'am?
2%. 2 by 100.
Into 2 by 100.
48.
48, ma'am.
48. If we subtract, this will be how much? How much?
2352.
2352.
2,352.
Okay.
2,352.
Okay. The next you see, goods sold to Harish. Means we are selling the goods to Harish. In the date column, date. And under the particulars column, we should write the name as Harish. Amount is 1,250. The next is goods returned by Lakshmi. Lakshmi is returning the goods. So this is nothing but the sales return. On the date column, date. And here we should write the name Lakshmi. and here the amount it will be 100. Okay. The next you see.
Yes, ma'am.
The next you see sold goods to Nandana. Sold they have given, so it is a sales transaction. In this column you should write as Nandana. Amount is 1800. The next is furniture sold for cash. This is a cash transaction as well as a asset we should not take into consideration, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No.
Any doubt, ma'am? Now what we should do? We should do the total. You're having the calculators, no? Do the total.
$15,102 will be the
15,102.
yes.
Okay. And this sales return already I have done. Right?
It is 450.
So till you copy, girls, I'll take the attendance. So girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand.
Ma'am, actually it's giving the option of raising
Ma'am,
hand.
raised hand is
It's not supporting to raise her hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how you have given the attendance in the first period, ma?
No, ma'am has didn't taken attendance. She said she will take attendance from you.
From me she will take.
Is this counted, ma'am?
Okay, ma. Once I'll repeat the names that who are from Malakpet. Then I'll see. Anyone left means tell me. Sadia can raise the hand, no?
Only Sadia can raise the hand, ma'am.
Maybe सादिया was host ना तो उनके पास कुछ ऑप्शन हो गया होगा एक बार चेक करना सादिया के
Ma'am,
पास
I'm also getting the option to raise the hand.
Then why not others?
the option is there for raising the hand. Clicking.
Once you see ma properly, once you check, girls.
Lubna,
Ma'am,
Even the chat is disabled actually.
Okay,
No,
ma. Okay. Don't waste the time. I'll say that who are from Malakpet because Malakpet girls are less. That's why first Malakpet names only I'm saying. Sadia Fatima, Lubna Hamid, Aisha Kalim, Yasmin, Sidra, Atika Tabassum. You are from Malakpet or Shalibanda? Atika,
Malakpet, ma'am.
Malakpet only. Okay. Iram, Juveria, Hafsa, Sayyada Aymana, Sumayya, Namira, Tanya Nawaz is from Shalibanda or Malakpet?
Shalibanda, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Sayyada Amina, Amtul Yasmin, Sayyada Amtul Yasmin, Malakpet or
Shalibanda.
Shalibanda. Sayyada Gulfashan, Sayyada Gulafshan, Malakpet or Shalibanda?
Shalibanda, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Ainiyat Khatun. These girls are from Malakpet, right? So anyone name I forgot?
Ma'am, Mahin Ahmed.
Mahin Ahmed,
Ma'am, Shafia Fatima.
Shafia Fatima.
Girls, you are unmute now, so ma'am didn't want you. You are up.
Okay.
And Julia Rahin also, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I've taken attendance completed. You have completed completing?
Ma'am, once you show the fourth problem, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is fourth one. Fourth one. This one, sales and sales return only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened?
Ma'am, after one transaction, we need to mark the line till details only.
Yeah.
From particulars till details.
Suppose if trade discount like that is there, means that is necessary, that time you have to draw, otherwise no need.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Fourth one you show. This fifth one, ma'am.
Fourth one, I think
Ma'am,
so.
fourth one is that sales book and sales account.
Sales, only sales account I prepared. Sales book I asked you to do, no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Shall
ma'am.
we proceed for the next one?
Yes.
Now we have completed the fifth one. Now coming to the sixth one. Prepare sales book and relevant ledger accounts from the following transactions. This I'm giving homework. I'm not showing. Sixth one. In this, you have to prepare the sales book and you have to prepare the ledger accounts. Okay. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me right now.
Ma'am, that what you have showed in fourth one, no? By sundries like this, we have to write.
That you have to write only in the sales book. But he is asking to prepare the all ledger accounts, not only the sales account. He is asking to prepare all ledger accounts. Means you have to prepare your Birla and Company account. You have to prepare Kamlesh and Company account.
Got it, ma'am.
Like that. Okay.
Yes.
It's normal ledger account, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, right now, I'm showing the seventh one.
All those entries on credit side only.
Seventh one, you see.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh one. From the following particulars, write up sales book of Sri Sharma, a dealer in furniture. Means he is a dealer in furniture, that we have to prepare. Here two transactions he have given, and down they have given that Sri Sharma offers trade discount at the following rates. Sales up to rupees 2000 is 5%. Sales beyond 2000 is 10%. What is the meaning of sales up to?
2000 तक खरीदे तो 5% डिस्काउंट देते और 2000 के ऊपर खरीदे तो 10% डिस्काउंट देते.
Okay, I am drawing the format. You also draw in your books.
Okay, ma'am.
Sales book na.
Finish drawing?
No, ma'am. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
I'm not writing all that. As you know, the date, particulars, LF, details, amount. Okay, that I'm not writing. Coming to the first transaction. First in the date column, I'm writing the year. Coming to the year, year is 2013 and date is 6th June. Sold on credit to Krishnamurthy. So what I'm doing under particulars column, I'm writing the name of the person, Krishnamurthy. Okay. As you can see, he is purchasing 10 tables at rupees 60 and he is purchasing 40 chairs at rupees 20. Okay. So you should do the multiplication here. 10 into 60 will be how much?
600.
600.
40 into 80, if you will do, the amount will be 800.
800.
So 600 plus 800, if you will do, the amount will be how much? 1400. Huh? How much?
Yes, ma'am.
1400.
1400.
Huh?
1400. Yes, 1400.
1400.
1400.
So you will get the discount?
No.
You will get
No,
the
ma'am.
5%.
Up to 2000.
5% will get, no, ma'am.
He will get the discount or not?
Yes.
We didn't get 5% discount.
Yes, ma'am.
As you can see,
No,
the
ma'am, will
person-
not get
Will
because
not
to sales up to 2000. It's 1400 here.
listen, ma. They have given up sales up to 2000 means if the sales are less than 2000, then he is giving the discount at 5%. Okay. If the sales are more than 2000, then he is giving 10%. Okay. So you will get here trade discounts. What we should do under this, we should write here. I'm writing the short form. We should write the full form. Let's trade discount at 5%. So on 1400, 5%, if you will take out, the amount will be how much? 70. Outer column, after subtraction, whatever amount will be there, that amount you have to write. Okay, after this is a big transaction, you have to draw the line. The next date is 16th June. The next they have given that sold to Lakshmi Enterprises. So here I'm writing it as Lakshmi Enterprises. What they are purchasing? What they are purchasing?
5 almirahs.
20 chairs, 2 dining tables.
And dining tables.
He is purchasing 5 almaras at rupees 1200. 1200 into 5 will do, the amount will be
6,000.
6,000. The next is purchasing 20 chairs at rupees 30. 20 into 630, if you will do, it will be 600. Then is purchasing 2 dining tables at rupees 600. So it will be 1200.
1200.
Right? If you will add all together, this will be
7,800.
7,800. Now on 7,800, you will get the trade discount at 10%. This is because more than 2,000, right? For me, a down place is not there. You do ma. Down, what you will do? Less trade discount 10%, 780. Outer
780.
column, whatever amount will be there that you have to show. I think so, 7020, right?
7020.
After that, total you have to write. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. One more problem I want to show, then I'll stop the class here only. Time is not there. Now, 8th one, you see. Maintain the cash book of Harish, who deposits all receipts into the bank and made all payments through checks. Clearly, they have given that. Here he is maintaining the cash book. So whatever the receipts will be there and whatever payments will be there, that he is doing through bank, right? So I'm showing the format, ma. Let me draw the format, then I'll show. Yes, mute. Why Sakina Fatima, now she's entering the room? From beginning she was there, Sakina? Yes, girls, Sakina was there. What I'm asking?
Don't know.
Okay, ma. So here that is nothing but only one they have given. What Malakpet girl Sakina was there from beginning? Okay, simple column cash book you have to prepare. So what I'm doing here, date, particulars, LF, instead of writing your amount rupees, I'm writing it as bank here. Bank in amount rupees, you have a date, particulars, LF, and bank I'm writing here. Okay. As you know that when we are preparing the cash book, whatever the receipts will be there, that will come under debit side, and whatever payments will be there, it will come under credit side. Is it clear?
Yes.
When we are preparing the cash book, whatever receipts will be there, that will come under the debit side, and whatever payments will be there, that will come under the credit side. Okay, now see the problem, eighth one. Coming to the eighth one, they have given as started business by opening bank account with 1 lakh. They are starting the business by opening the bank account. The entry will be
Bank account.
Bank account data to cash account.
Bank account data to cash account. They are starting business, ma. So whatever amount they are
Cash to
investing,
capital.
is called as capital, no? So instead of cash, we should write as bank. Bank capital.
Bank to capital.
It is a receipt, no?
Yes.
It is a receipt. So what I'm doing under date column, first I'm writing the year. Year is 2013. Coming to the date, date is 1st January, and we should write as to capital account. Coming to the amount is 1 lakh. Right? The next you see purchased furniture. They are purchasing the furniture. So it is a payment, no? When we are purchasing cash jar, business may say, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It is a payment, no?
Purchase
Right?
account data to bank account.
So here what I'm
Furniture
doing is
account
the
data
payment.
to
So in the credit side, I'm writing the date as 2nd January. I'm writing it as here by purchase account. They are purchasing for 12,000. So in the amount column, I'm writing it as 12,000.
Furniture account, ma'am.
By purchase account. By furniture account also, yeah, you can write furniture, yes. We can write here furniture because clearly they have mentioned what they are purchasing. The next is bought goods from Karim on credit. Where it will come?
no
Bought goods
credit
from Karim.
because
Good.
this is cash
This
book.
is a credit
We should
transaction.
not write this transaction.
Yeah, this entry will not come in the cash book. Why? Because we are preparing the cash book and this is the credit entry. Okay. The next is sold goods for cash, rupees 5,000 to Ashwin. This entry will come.
Yes.
Yes.
Sold.
Sale, cash no, ma'am.
Yes. Coming to the sales, sales is a receipt for the business, right? This is the income for the business. That's why it will come under the debit side. So you should write as to sales account. They are doing the sales of 5,000. Here we should write 5,000. The next one is paid Karim. They are paying. When they are paying, it is a payment, right?
Payment.
Credit side.
So coming to the date, date is 6th. We should write as by Karim. Coming to the amount is 2,975. The next you see Abdullah sent an advance of rupees 5,000 for goods to be supplied next week. Means here Abdullah is giving advance to us, right? When he is giving
Yes,
advance,
ma'am.
is a receipt or payment?
Receipt.
Receipt.
Payment. Receipt.
So
Only, huh, receipt.
to Abdullah account, amount is 5,000.
Ma'am.
1 minute, ma, this entry we should not take. Why? Because clearly they have given that he is giving advance, but whatever the goods we did not supply it. For that he is giving, so this transaction should not take, ma.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
In 6-day transaction is given full settlement, ma'am.
Yeah. 2,975 in full settlement means here we are getting the discount also.
Yes, ma'am.
But here, but that discount we are not showing here.
So ma'am, we don't have to take the 17th transaction.
17th transaction. Which 17th one?
7.
No, ma. 1 minute.
Excuse
1
me,
minute.
ma'am.
1 minute, ma. See, 1 minute, ma. Abdullah sent an advance of rupees 5,000 for goods to be supplied next week. Means he is giving the advance, means we are receiving. No, we have to take. No. Abdullah is giving the advance, we are receiving. It's coming in our account, so we should take 5,000. Yes, ma. Now some doubt you are asking. No, whatever transactions are there that we have completed. Yes, yes, still.
Bought goods for Kareem rupees 3,000 on. If we are not taking that transaction, why are we taking paid Kareem in full settlement?
Which transaction you are not taking? We are taking all transactions. Which transaction you have not taken? Which
Third
transaction?
one.
Third one. Third transaction you should not. We have not taken.
Credit transaction.
Yes, ma'am. That is credit transaction.
So how are we taking paid Kareem? If he is not purchasing from us, how are we paying him?
We are paying by check, no?
Listen. what I said, when we are preparing the cash book, we should take only the cash transactions. Means कहाँ पर पैसे आते हैं और कहाँ पर पैसे जाते हैं, वही transactions लेना है, right? So clearly in the third transaction they have given that we are purchasing the goods on credit. Means that time we are not paying, but later we are paying, no?
Ma'am,
Yes or no? So when we are purchasing on the credit transaction will not come here because that time we are not making the payment. Later we are making the payment. That's why we have done the entry of that.
Ma'am, by balance carried down 92,050.
92,000 is coming.
Yeah, 92,050.
95,000.
95025 is coming.
Check once properly.
90,000,
25,025.
95,025.
Yes, ma'am. 95,025.
So now as you can see, when we are doing the total of the debit side is coming as 1,10,000, and when we are doing the total of the credit side is coming as 14,975, right? So here we should do the balancing. This total minus this total we should do. So this total minus this total, when we are doing, the total is coming as 95,025. So the last date of the January is 31st. So we should write as here by balance carried down. This amount we should write, and total will be same. And be remember, whenever we are writing the carry down, opposite side we should write brought down. So here it will be balance brought down 95,025, and after 31st January, next date will be 1st Feb, right? This problem has been finished, ma. I'm getting late for the next class. I think so students are waiting there. Already it's 11:03, ma. Okay, I'm stopping here only. If you want a screenshot, you can take it.
Only we have third problem as homework, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Second problem.
Second and sixth.
Yes.